Hi there, my name is Prof. K. I'm a professor, an engineer, an energy manager, and I have experience in design and manufacturing in engineering. Some of my experiences in electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, which we were doing actually in the early 2000s. And I am so happy to bring you this course on hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen fuel cells are a viable technology. They have been for a long time, and they will continue to be a viable technology that has a lot of benefits, some disadvantages as well, but it's not readily available. All of the technical details about how we get energy out of a fuel cell. So in this course, please watch along from one video to the next, and I will slowly develop what a fuel cell is, how we use the electrons in a fuel cell, how we count those electrons, how we calculate the amount of moles of hydrogen consumed in order to calculate how much electrical energy a fuel cell has made. We'll talk about practical considerations, advantages and disadvantages, but mostly this will be a highly technical course on fuel cells. Available in a lot of fuel cell textbooks, have been for a long time, but I hope to bring this to you so that you can watch a little bit of one of these videos every day and really know what a fuel cell is. Maybe you have an application for it, or maybe you're studying fuel cells or just interested as well. So thank you so much for joining me, and please take a look at lecture 1 and forward. Leave me your comments. Let me know how your studying of fuel cells is going alongside my lecture notes. Thank you.